Good afternoon, everybody. Manny again, checking in. I believe I got half a mile left to cross into New Orleans. Right now I'm crossing over a bridge that goes from Mississippi to New Orleans. I haven't seen the sign yet that says welcome to New Orleans, but I'm pretty close. Let's see, this is, oh, alright, see, you can see in the distance that there's I'm on top of a bridge, and I think here comes a sign now. It's right there at the bottom of the bridge. Looks like a blue sign. Let's see. And it says, welcome up, Louisiana. Alright, well there it is. Just passed it. Mile 273. Oh crap. So let me see. I believe I'm taking 12 west to continue on to Texas. So I gotta put in my GPS real quick to see what it tells me. Because usually if it says mile 273, that means the border of Texas is 273 miles away. And I already put 635 miles on the truck. So here we go. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Alright, bye.